The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. To ensure safety, it's essential to position the heater in a way that maintains a safe distance between flammable materials and the external surfaces of the heater. You can refer to the heater's manual for the required safety distances. To start the installation process, remove the protective film from the steel plate behind the heater. Next, uninstall the wall mount and the heat reflector from the heater. Place the wall mount on the wall, ensuring its safe distance from the nearest flammable material stated in the manual. Install the wall mount on the wall using the recommended 6x40 screws. Please make sure the wall mount is level. Remove the protective lid. Remove the rubber grommet from the heater. Create an opening into the rubber grommet and thread the cable through it. Insert the cable through the designated opening in the heater. Cover the opening with the rubber grommet. Start with the green and yellow ground wire. Next, blue goes to N and the black one goes to L1. Reinstall the protective lid. Install the legs. Reinstall the heat reflector. Place the heater on the wall mount. Secure the heater by anchoring it with the screw at the top right corner behind the heater. Feed the cable into the control unit through the bottom opening. Connect the wires to the connectors. Black to U, blue to N, and green and yellow to the bottom left corner ground connector. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.eu or contact our reseller.